Hello everyone, and today's video I will do a beach house tour in Kamala, Phuket, Thailand. If you're ready, let's go check it out. So when you come up here, the first thing that you will see is the patio out here. And right here is a living room with a big TV and two big sofas. This is the first bedroom. Have a big bed with a closet here. Here's the first bathroom that connects to the first bedroom that I just showed you, and it have a sink and a shower. So the shower in this bathroom don't have a water heater. Here's another bedroom, and both bedrooms have an air conditioner. In the second bathroom, they have a water heater. Here's a kitchen. They have a refrigerator and a fan too. And this table is for the patio outside. Let's see the kitchen. There has a burner here and a microwave. And on the cabinet up top is have a glass and a plate. They also have a rice cooker, hot pot water, and a toaster. There is a silverware, a knife, and a cutting board. And a towel for the kitchen. So you move into this house, you don't have to buy anything. Everything is ready here.